A representative of the National Association for Adolescent Health wanted to estimate the average age of a child contracting chickenpox. From a sample of 572 children, she found that the average age was 5.2 years old with a standard deviation of 1.1 years. For question 3, we want to find the standard error for the average age at which children contract chickenpox. Remember that when we knew the sampling distribution information, or the population information, that we could calculate the standard deviation to be equal to the population standard deviation divided by the square root of n. However, when we only have sample information, we can no longer find the standard deviation for the sampling distribution. We can only find the standard error. The standard error is an estimate of the standard deviation based off of sampling information. The standard error, then, can be found by replacing the population standard deviation sigma with the sample standard deviation s, and then we can still take s over the square root of n. In our problem, it told us that the sample standard deviation was 1.11 years. So our standard error can be found by taking 1.1 and dividing it by the square root of our sample size, which was 572 children. 1.1 divided by the square root of 572 is equal to 0.046. So our standard error, our estimate for the standard deviation, is 0.046.